Shanghai Target Industry Company Limited was from a company named Shanghai Fengxian Guyue Food Machine Factory since 1928, which is a state-owned enterprise for confectionery, chocolate, biscuit, and packaging machinery. Nowadays, TG Machine always stands in the advanced position in food machinery innovation and developing. The factory area is more than 6,000 square meters, including 5 modern workshops, over 60 employees, and has CNC machine, computer-controlled lathe. TG Machine exported its products to Europe, America, the Middle East, Southeast Asia since 2000. Rely on high-quality products and satisfying service. TG Machine gains its good reputation and popularity. We provide not only good quality production lines for different kinds of confectionery production, but also the whole solution for marketing research, factory design, machinery installation, and final production, packing design. With food machinery research and development and manufacturing experience for many years, we always create new and high-tech products, such as the candy depositing line after developing. The candy depositing line is controlled by servo-driven system and full automatic instead of the original semi-automatic mechanical-driven equipment. Our main products are hard candy, lollipop, chocolate, biscuit, soft chewy candy, jelly, gummy candy, toffee, licorice, chewing gum, bubble gum, chocolate production lines, and different kinds of packing machines. We are happy to cooperate with the new investor in food industry or experienced manufacturers